When we are using Excel and we have a long table, usually when we scroll down, we no longer see the headings. We have an option where we can lock it or freeze it. So I would select the cell just under the heading and I would go to View, and then I would select Freeze Panes, and I would select Freeze Panes. So this, what it would do is that it would lock whatever rows are above it. So I have selected row number 2, so that means row number 1 is locked, and regardless how much I would scroll down or up, the first row would be fixed. Same thing goes because I selected column B, meaning if I would go to the right, column A, whatever is to the left of that, is going to be frozen. So regardless how much I went to the right, I can still see which year is it. Now, of course, from the same place, you can select to freeze a row only or a column only, depending on the situation that you're in. This has saved me so much time from scrolling up and down to know exactly where I am in the table.